Hello everybody, welcome back to BareRose Garage here. Hey, I got something special in the mail today. You can kind of see a little bit of it behind me up here on the Fairlane. What'd we get? Roadkill Customs. He's our new sponsor for the No Name 500, the race before the race. Hey Buzz, thanks a million for all that you're doing for all of us under 500. Well, I've already busted over, but the helping hand you're giving to all these guys to get them to pull up over that finish line, man, you are just fantastic. Thanks a million for all of that. And I got to tell you, to everybody out there who hasn't quite made it to the 500 yet, or if you're just starting, I'll let you in on a little secret. This No Name 500, it's the funnest part. I actually missed the race between me and two hacks, and boy, he blew my doors off. And I was racing Travis at Travis Mopars all the way to that 500 mark. Oh, it was fun. It was exciting. I got to get up and click the old Google machine on and look and see, he's beating me. Grab a gear, grab a gear. I got to throw a video, grab a gear, get him. The race for the 500 is just fantastic, and I wish all of you the best of luck in it, because all you got to do is keep throwing them videos out there, and it's gonna come for you. I guarantee it. All you got to do is don't worry about lighting and audio so much. Just keep your videos coming, just as much as you possibly can. And a little thing that's not really getting talked so much about, participation. To be quite honest with you, where most of my subs were coming from was participating, going to other channels, clicking on their comments, picking channels that I haven't seen that they had a good comment on somebody else's video. Well, click on it, check them out, leave a comment. I never asked for a sub, but just leaving a good comment, boom, people had subbed me. That works. It works great. You're participating. You're actually doing what you're supposed to be doing on YouTube, and who would have not thunk it? But it works. It pays off. The more you put in like that, you're watching the video anyway. Leave a comment. A lot of guys will sub you just for leaving a comment, and especially if it's a good comment. But we're all in this together, and we're going to keep pushing. I know I've already broke over the 500 mark, but trust me, that's a halfway point for me. I'm pushing for 1,000. That is my goal. When I first started this whole thing, that was my goal, is to hit 1,000 by the time I get to Sikeston. And we're going to get it. We're all going to get it. If you put in the work, you're going to get it. Especially right now with what Dallas and John and now Buzz is doing for us. It's amazing. The opportunity of something like this has never existed before. It used to take years to get 500 subscribers or a stroke of luck. But now that John and Buzz and Dallas have kicked this door wide open for us, if this is something you want to do, you got to jump in on it. You will lose this opportunity, and it won't strike. Lightning don't strike twice in the same spot. So jump in there, just hit that red button on the camera, video everything that you're doing, and just throw it out there. People watch the strangest stuff. Don't get it in your head that oh no, nobody's going to want to watch me. People will watch. Trust me. I make an ass of myself every one of these videos, and people still watch it. So get out there, throw out some content, and give a big thanks to Roadkill Customs for the No Name 500. And we're all going to see you in Sikeston this coming September and October 1st, September 30th. I don't know. All I know is the time is a-ticking, and this car is still sitting, and that ain't good. So I got to jump back on her and get her rolling here. What I've done today is I fixed a window the wrong way. Yeah, it's kind of the wrong way, but the right way for this way. Here, I'll show you what I did. And the reason I got to show you is because this is take 5. So hopefully this one comes out. Anyway, you can see here, I got a bust in the window right here. So what I did is I took this 2-inch super bottom shelf, got a picture of a duck on the inside of it, so you know it's the lowest quality stuff you can possibly buy. But it's what, like 1.5 to 2 inch? Just wide enough to cover that crack where that glass is split. This is laminated glass, so it's not going to turn into diamonds like normal does. It's the same stuff as like a windshield is made out of. Anyway, this is the only glass in the car that was busted, and it was busted right there, so every time I rolled the window down it would separate. So what I did is I took that tape and I dulled it. For you the guys that do any airbrushing, stuff like that, little automotive work, you know, auto body work, you take your tape and you stick it to your shirt and then you stick it on the glass. What that does is it keeps it from sticking so hard. It dulls the stickiness so I can get it back off later. And then I glued it up with the guaranteed, almost to work JB Weld clear weld. It's supposed to weld glass. Have I ever used it before? Nope. This is the first time. It'll either work or it won't. But that brings me to the other one. I see everybody on the YouTube there and the No Name Nationals, they're all putting stickers on the quarter glass. Well, Buzz, you got the honor of being my first sticker on the Fairlane there. Also, you're doubling as holding my glass together until the glue dries. And what I'll do is after the event's over with, then I'll order the actual glass. I just don't want to take the risk on the time for it to come, show up broken, because, you know, shipping, get another one, showed up broken, you know, sometimes playing with glass, makes your hair fall out. So I'm going to do it this way. Everybody who gets sends me a sticker, or my stickers are coming, and we'll do the sticker exchange and stuff. We'll just fill this window clear full of stickers. When my new one comes in, probably after the event, then I'm going to stick it up on the wall up there and just make a memorial out of that broken glass and this video. And Buzz, you're the man. You get the honor of the first stickers on the Fairlane. So, meantime, get out there, bust something, fix something, and get the metal hot. We'll see y'all in Sykeston.